Okay, I'm just spending a little time today showing how you can cut off the corners so that these are easy to stack, or you could color code them. You could grab a whole stack of the ones that you want at the end of a word, and instead of clipping them, you could go ahead and get a red marker or a purple marker or whatever that you would use to remember. Those are the ones that come at the end of a word. And then if you don't want to cut the left corner off, my knife was getting a little dull, but if you don't want to cut off the left corner of those so that you can know which ones are at the beginning, you could just grab a stack and color a different color so you know purple's at the beginning. Or a lot of people like to do like a stop sign, green for go, green, yellow, red at the end. Later in your blending board, you'll have a different setup because you'll have these at the end of the word most of the time. Sometimes people teach a rule that this spelling only comes at the end of a word, but it's at the end of syllables. So it would come at the beginning of the word oyster, and different examples like that.